Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will learn and solve exercise questions 8a, questions 1 and 2 of chapter 8 of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve test your understanding questions and exercise 8a questions 1 and 5. And topics are solving equation by inspection and solving equation by inverse operations. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1, first bit A. What number must be added to 5 gives 8? Let the number be x. The number, we have to find the number which is added to 5 gives 8. So x plus 5 equal to 8. We know the number 3 added to 5 gives 8. So the number x will be 3. B. What number must be subtracted from 15 to give 8? We have to find the number which is subtracted from 15 that gives 8. So let the number be x. So the equation will be 15 minus x is 8. We know the number 7 is subtracted from 15 gives 8. So the number will be 7. Now we solve question number 2. What will be the answer of the unknown number? First bit A is b plus 6 equal to 13. We know number 7 is added to 6, we get 13. When we add 7 with 6, we get the number 13. So the value of the unknown number b is 7. B. 20 plus w equal to 28. We know the number 8 is added to 20, we get the number 28. So the value of the unknown number w is 20. W is 8. Now we solve exercise 8a questions. First number 1 is write an equation for each of the following. You need not solve them. First bit is 12 less than a number x equals 20. The equation of this verbal expression will be 12 less than a number x. X minus 12 equal to 20. This is the equation of this verbal expression. Second bit, 14 more than a number n equals 18. Equation for this verbal expression is 14 more than a number. So more than is represented with plus symbol. So 14 plus n equal to 18. This is the equation for this expression. Third bit, 5 times a number a equals 20. The equation for this verbal expression is 5 times 5 multiplied with the number a equals 20. So it will be 5a equal to 20. This is the equation for this given verbal expression. Now we solve question number 4th bit. Write an equation for each of the following. You need not solve them. Fourth bit is the quotient of b and 7 is equal to 4. We have to write the equation and we need not solve the value for the variable of this equation. We have to just write the equation. The quotient of b and 7 is equal to 4. So the equation for this verbal expression is b divided by 7 is equal to 4. This is the equation for this given verbal expression. V, fifth bit. 3 times a number m subtracted from 12 equals 6. Equation for this verbal expression is 3 times 3 multiplied with the number m subtracted from 12. 12 minus 3 multiplied with m equal to 6. So the equation for this verbal expression is 12 minus 3m equal to 6. Sixth bit. A pencil is 8 cm long. A longer pencil is 6 cm long. The difference in their length is 7 centimeter. So equation for this verbal expression is c minus 8 equal to 7. Difference in their length is 7, so c minus 8 is 7. This is the equation for this given verbal expression. Now 7th bit. A girl is X years old. Her father is 5 more than 2 times her age. The sum of their ages is 50 years. Given the girl's age is X years old. So girl's age is X years. This is given. And her age of her father is 5 more than 2 times her age. 2 times girl's age is 2 multiplied with x. 2x plus 5 more than 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 years is age of her father. And given the sum of their ages is 50 years. Given x, girl's age is x years plus age of her father is 5 plus 2x years. So x plus 5 plus 2x equal to 50. Sum of their ages is given 50 years. So girl's age is x years. Her father's age is x plus 2x plus 5 years equal to 50 years. So x plus 2x is 3x. 3x plus 5 equal to 50 years. So equation for this verbal expression is 3x plus 5 equal to 50. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is solve each of the following equations by using inverse operations. First bit A is a plus 7 equal to 12. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable a using the inverse operations. A plus 7 equal to 12. So we have to subtract 7 from both sides of this equation. We get a plus 7 minus 7 equal to 12 minus 7. 7 minus 7 will be cancelled. So a equal to 12 minus 7 is 5. A equal to 5. So value for the variable a is 5. Now we solve question number second bit. 10 plus c is 23. We have to solve the value for the variable 10 plus c equal to 23. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable c. Subtracting c from the both sides of this equation, we get 10 plus c. Subtracting 10 from both sides of this equation, we get 10 plus c minus 10 equal to 23 minus 10. 10 and minus 10 will be cancelled. Now we get c equal to 23 minus 10 is 13. Now we get c is 13. So value for the variable c is 13. Now we solve question number third bit. 9 equal to d plus 2. We have to solve the value for the variable d. We subtract 2 from both sides of this equation. We get 9 minus 2 equal to d plus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2 will be cancelled. Now we get 7 equal to d. That is d equal to 7. So value for the variable d is 7. Now we solve question number second bit b. X minus 1 equal to 8. We have to solve the value for the variable x by using inverse operations. Adding 1 to both sides of the equation, we get x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 8 plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled. So we get x equal to 8 plus 1 is 9. So we get x is 9. So value for the variable x is 9. Now we solve question number second bit. P minus 8 equal to 11. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable P. p minus 8 equal to 11. Adding 8 to both sides of this equation, we get p minus 8 plus 8 equal to 11 plus 8. Minus 8 and plus 8 will be cancelled. Now we get p equal to 11 plus 8 is 19. P is 19. Now we solve question number third bit, x minus 0.3 equal to 15.7. We have to solve the value for the variable x. X minus 0.3 equal to 15.7. We add 0.3 on both sides of this equation. We get x minus 0.3 plus 0.3 equal to 15.7 plus 0.3. That is x minus 0.3 and plus 0.3 will be cancelled. Now we get x equal to 15.7 plus 0.3. 15.7 plus 0.3 is 16. 16.0, that is 16. Now we get x is 16. So value for the variable x is 16. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.